Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how VU students can apply for the laptop scheme. This vital program helps ensure all students have access to the necessary technology for their studies, supporting their academic success. It aims to bridge the digital divide, providing essential tools to those who need them most to excel in their courses. We believe in empowering every student on their academic journey, making sure no one is left behind due to lack of resources. To qualify for this valuable scheme, you must currently be an enrolled student at our university. A primary factor for eligibility is demonstrated financial need, ensuring support goes to those who require it most. Furthermore, you must clearly explain how a new device would significantly benefit your academic performance and participation. This helps us ensure the resources are allocated effectively for maximum impact on learning outcomes. Applying for the scheme is a straightforward process, beginning on the official university portal where you will find the application form. Make sure to gather all necessary documents, including your proof of enrollment and any relevant financial statements, before you begin. Remember to submit your complete application well before the specified deadline. This ensures your request is considered promptly and efficiently by the review committee. Mark your calendars for these important dates to ensure you do not miss out on this opportunity. The application window typically opens in early September each year, giving you plenty of time to prepare your submission. All completed applications are usually due by the last day of October. Successful applicants often receive notification by mid-December, allowing ample time before the next academic term begins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.